Want to start trading in 2025 but don't know where to begin? In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to open your account in Upstox, Dhan and Groww quickly and easily, without any confusion. How to open account in Dhan, Groww, Upstox, Angel 1 Step-by-Step, 2025 Guide. Requirements: PAN card, Aadhaar card, linked with mobile, bank account. Few minutes of your time. Before we begin, make sure you have these ready: your PAN card, Aadhaar card linked with your mobile number, and a bank account. Once you have them, you're ready to go. Step-by-step account opening. Step 1. Visit Upstox, Dhan or Groww. First, go to the Upstox, Dhan or Groww website or download the Upstox, Dhan or Groww app from Play Store or App Store. Step 2. Enter mobile or OTP. Enter your mobile number and verify with the OTP you receive. Step 3. PAN or DOB. Enter your PAN number and date of birth. This is needed to check your eligibility. Step 4. Fill details or bank info. Now fill in your personal details and add your bank account details for fund transfer. Step 5. Upload documents. Upload your Aadhaar card and any other documents asked. Make sure the image is clear. Step 6. A-sign with Aadhaar. Do the Aadhaar A-sign using OTP. This will complete your KYC process. Step 7. Approval. Your application will now be verified. Once approved, you'll get login details on your registered email or phone. After approval, log in and explore the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with charts, order placement, and settings before trading. Thanks for watching. At Trade with Feet, we guide you step by step to become a better trader. Connect with us for more tips and don't forget to subscribe. Our next video is coming very soon. Disclaimer: trading involves market risk. Please do your own research before investing.